In today's fiercely competitive retail market, leaders in the merchandising industry must leverage the process of leading a customer to a sale in more dynamic ways than ever before. The retail industry has recognized point-of-purchase displays, PDQs, and retail-ready packaging designs as powerful and cost-effective marketing tools to ensure that products are consistently presented in the right place at the right time. Reports show that visually prominent displays, such as end caps, bunkers, and PDQs, drive higher levels of compliance.
Point-of-purchase displays are often manufactured manually. That can be very expensive and time-consuming, especially for large orders. Brands looking to utilize these tools are also demanding higher weight capacities, more complex designs, and faster speed to market. The only way to overcome these obstacles is for manufacturing companies to look for new solutions in the technology and engineering sector to get the job done.
To support the growth opportunity of POP displays, PacSmart has leveraged its modular design approach to develop the next generation in specialty folding gluing solutions. The FG1500 is capable of converting corrugated board materials into highly attractive point-of-purchase displays, PDQs, and retail-ready packaging designs on a single line at speeds from 1,000 to 20,000 units per hour, depending on product design, enabling brands to present products successfully while lowering cost and minimizing time to market.
At PacSmart, we understand the nuances of specialty packaging design and the results that our customers expect from us. That's why our solutions incorporate a modular and scalable design that gives our customers the ability to adapt to new trends and demands. To meet our customers' constantly changing needs, we can simply pick necessary tooling or accessories from our proven design library and deploy them into manufacturing within a matter of days. This level of efficiency has a tremendous value to our customers.
Corrugated board typically requires a lot of paper material. For companies looking to utilize these displays for heavier items, they're faced with the impossible dilemma of having to choose between strength or sustainability, and with the added pressure of having to be eco-friendly and resource efficient.
To meet the application requirements, PacSmart began the design with their proven 1500 series folder gluer solution and customized it for corrugated displays. To overcome the need for increased rigidity in specific areas, PacSmart developed a HighSpeed Robotics pick-and-place system capable of handling three-dimensional components such as hooks, nests, transparent windows, and reinforcement boards, allowing for a reduction in the overall base material thickness.
The FG1500 is a highly flexible solution that can be operated with minimal operator intervention. What makes this machine unique is its high level of utilization. Once the base of the point-of-purchase display has been created, we can switch the automation over and produce the shelves the very next day. We can also provide additional value-add capabilities to further improve equipment return on investment. This includes custom inkjet personalization for data-driven programs, as well as additional elements such as Velcro or magnet closures, RFID tags for tracking or product activation, and double-sided tape for ease of use and setup. We can even take our commitment to our clients a step further with advanced consumer engagement elements such as traceable QR code integration. All this backed by PacSmart's state-of-the-art virtual machine control platform for complete system communication and motion control at lightning speeds.
I never thought it would be possible to find a one-stop solution to solve so many of the industry's problems. It's truly very exciting to see what the team at PacSmart is doing with corrugated material. I can't wait to see what solutions they will come up with next.
Research has shown that effective POP display programs increase basket size and creatively solve shoppers' needs, making them the perfect tools for brands looking to advertise and sell their new products directly inside of retail stores. Thanks to advancements in new technologies and materials, these displays are lighter, easier to assemble, more eco-friendly, and more cost-effective than ever before. From conceptual ideas to fully tested and qualified solutions within 14 weeks or less. Let PacSmart deliver industry-leading customer experiences by innovating your next product display.
PacSmart, engineering the impossible.